Alright guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of the video and probably the thumbnail, the Soarer is getting a Christmas present this year. Decided, well, let's spoil the thing and come over here and have a look what's in the back of the truck. We got some nice new rims for this bad boy and we're going to throw them on now and see what they look like. I can't wait. Alright guys, so here are the rims here. They actually work Emotion D9Rs and they got a bit of nice dish on them. So this is probably the best one. The other ones have a little bit of rim rash and I'll show the one that needs really repairing. So I'll have to get that repaired, but that's okay. I got them for a pretty cheap price. They are 18 by 9.5 with 23 plus 23 offset. So they should fit on there pretty good. So yeah, we'll get into fitting them on straight away. Alright guys, as you can see, we've got the front on and holy crap, does that look good. Like, it looks so good. As you can see, it sticks out a tiny bit and it's got the stretch tyres, so I have to decide if I want to get some better ones. But yeah, look at that. It looks so good. I'll get around to putting the rest on. We'll see how she looks. And also, as you can see, not much gap, so it's probably going to scrub. Alright guys, as you can see, the rims are now on. So this is the bad one that I was saying about, and that's the one I'm going to have to get refaced, because obviously the guy likes driving like my girlfriend, and likes hitting bloody gutters. Fiance, sorry, I just got told off. Yeah, there's not much room behind these guards, so let's hope it doesn't rub too much. Yeah, you probably will. That's right, but they look so bloody good. It looks insane. So yeah, I'm glad I got them. They definitely make the Soarer look way more tough, a bit more staunch. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm back. And as you can see, we're in a bit of a different location. And that's because I've actually moved out of home now. So I'm in my own garage here with the Soarer. Got rims, seats, got parts everywhere for this thing. The other thing I wanted to show you guys is this. Look at the interior transformation I've been doing on this thing. So basically, what I've done is Supra seats. I bought these off Marketplace, 200 bucks I think they were. And then I also painted the whole interior black. And you can tell it's got some spots like that, which will be fixed because I need to get a new door hinge. Because as you can see, well, you can't really see, but this one's got a lot of movement in it. So it goes up and down. So when you close the door, it obviously moves up and down. But as you can see, the interior looks about 10 times better on this thing. The paint has come up mint. The only thing I need to get is a shift boot and fix this gear shifter handle. But as you can see, the interior has come up mint. I've stuck the boost gauge in this air vent. Comes up killer. But as you can see, even the paint comes up pretty factory. So the stuff I've used is just Jute Color vinyl paint, and it was the satin black color, and it has come up mint. It looks so much better than the gray color, and I'm really happy with how it's come up. And yeah, the thing I wanted to talk about as well, the next thing I'm going to be doing on this car that you guys will probably see is probably an LSD, or I've got some 2JZ twin turbos that I'm going to put on this thing and modify so it gives it a bit more grunt. Because as of now, it's a bit slow compared to other things, so I really want to get it some more pep and stuff like that. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this interior. It has come up so mint. A couple more things I need to do. I need to get a plate for that, like the bracket mount and stuff like that. But it has come up mint and I'm so happy with it. These seats are so much better than those big old clunky things. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.